I went for a drive, and this isn't attached. Yep, I am, I'm letting the air out of my tires. When I got these used tires put on these rims, they wouldn't balance them for me. Something about the tires being out of whack or being too big for, I don't know why. They just wouldn't do it. So, I'm trying a trick. Antifreeze. Apparently, you put liquid antifreeze in there so it doesn't freeze on you. Especially in us. No, it's not gonna freeze. When it rotates, centrifugal force and science basically makes it so your wheels don't shimmy and shake and shudder and all the other stuff you don't want. First time I heard of this is when somebody was doing it for Ratrod tour, and I thought, I need to do that for Ratrod tour. So we're gonna give it a go and see what happens. Never done it before, never even heard of it before I saw it on Facebook. I went and got a big syringe because I thought that'd be a good way to do it. Then I had this idea. So I took the core out of the valve stem so all the air could get out of the tire. I'm gonna put this hose on there.
I can't get it. Too shaky.
Here, let me get it.
I don't know, hungry. I don't want to go. Got it?
Now to get this fluid into that wheel, this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna jack it up a little bit, raise the tire up. It's gonna create a vacuum, because look, it's still blowing air out. Create a little vacuum and it'll empty that jug out for me. It's kind of hard to see, but that is coolant in the hose and it is draining this down.
It stopped.
Yeah, it needs to go.
I can do it. Just watch the watch. It's going. Hello, Mr. Tire. It's going down.
It's sucking it right out of there.
Oh my God.
Little vacuum. And now the fluid's in there. I'll put the core back in, we'll air them back up, do the front. We'll see if it makes a difference.
Can I hear you?
Just don't spell it.
I have shaky hands.
Don't spell it.
I have shaky hands. When it's done airing out.
Alright, let's do the other side. Because I haven't jacked it up yet. We gotta jack it up, remember?
It's
Look,
going.
the way it goes. It's like magic.
You got it in my clothes.
It sucks it right down. We'll just tip it so make sure it gets it all. We want every last drop in there. Voila! That was child safety. Keep going, keep going. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, keep going.
Stop.
Okay,
Got too full?
yeah, we got a little heavy on that one. Oh, we gotta spin this one around too.
See? What did I tell you?
He didn't tell me anything.
I said we need to spin this one around. But no!
I guess I didn't listen.
Keep going. It's on the ground.
Perfect.
Down. A little bit. It drifted a little.
And it's sucking it right down. Now we put the valve stem cores back in, and I did the really smart thing. I've taken air out of all 4 tires outside of my garage without even thinking about whether my hose is going to reach this far or not. Eek, I sure hope it does. I'm sure it'll be fine. I've had it out somewhere out here before.
Somewhere.
Oofed. Hopefully it's far enough.
Can I spin in circles?
Okay, so I got the hose all the way stretched out to the last click, and we got plenty of room. I do now, however, wonder if I decide to put a can of Fix-A-Flat in here, if I get a hole in my tire, if it'll work. Or if I'm strictly doing plugs from now on. These hold a lot of volume of air, so we need to let the compressor catch back up a little, I guess. All right, that's 4. Ooh, that's awesome on the knees, but whatever, we got her done. Now I suppose we take it for a bit of a test drive and see what we think. I really hope this works, because that would be awesome. Let's go find out. All right, so we're gonna give this a go here, see how this works out. Did I use enough? I don't know. Did I use too much? I don't know. Am I optimistic? No, I'm not. I'm hopeful though. The whole family wanted to go for the ride, so we're gonna go test it together. That way if we break down, we're all together. Final thoughts on the antifreeze and the tires of the Belverado. I definitely think it was a win. It may not have cured all of it, but it cured a huge section of that shimmying I had as a problem. So, you know, maybe I got a bent rim, that's possible. The tires, well, they were already pretty well cupped and everything else before I got them, so that could be part of the problem. I'm just gonna run it this way and see how we go. I'm gonna look for new rims and new tires anyways, so this will be good for now. Knock on wood that this didn't just make it worse, I don't know. But if you're looking for an alternative to balancing wheels on your Ratrod, this I think is a good call. Definitely think it's a good call. Highly do not recommend this if you have a nice vehicle with nice rims. I don't know what the long-term effects are here, people. Is it corrosive? Probably, I don't know. Put it in your cooling system and everything survives. Use it at your own risk, that's all I'm saying. Oh, I just realized I went for a drive and this isn't attached. I'm a genius. As always, thanks for watching. And as all the good YouTubers say, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And ignore the dog.